The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in El Centro, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude, in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Kennesaw, Georgia, Lieutenant Tyler Davies. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Atlanta, Georgia, Commander Frank Weiser. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from McPherson, Kansas, Lieutenant Lance Benson. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Danville, California, Lieutenant Nate Scott. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Fremont, California, Lieutenant Damon Cruz. Ladies and gentlemen, Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels, from Los Altos, California, Commander Ryan Bernacchi. Events coordinator. Commander Matt Castle from the Woodlands, Texas, serves as the squadron's executive officer. Lieutenant Sam Rose from White House, Texas, is our maintenance officer and is responsible for the men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft flying. From Ocala, Florida, the Blue Angel flight surgeon is Lieutenant Juan Guerra. From Cambridge, Massachusetts, our supply officer is Lieutenant Ryan Pace. From Longmont, Colorado, our public affairs officer is Blue Angel number 4. The slot pilot will be positioned outboard of Blue Angel number 2 on the right wing. From there, they'll initiate their takeoff roll, transition to the Diamond on liftoff, and perform the Diamond half squirrel cage on takeoff. As the Diamond clears the flight line, the 2 solo pilots will begin their takeoff maneuvers. Now, to the left, Commander Bernacchi calls, spoke on Lights now. Burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is not visible while the engines are in afterburner. The Diamond will experience up to 4 times the force of gravity as they complete this looping maneuver. That's your right. Blue Angels 5 and 6 are rolling. Blue Angel number 5 will complete the dirty roll on takeoff, while Blue Angel number 6 performs a precise low transition and pitches up vertically at 5 times the force of gravity. They will give you the opportunity to get a close look at the precision flying that produces the 18-inch wingtip to canopy separation between these 4 aircraft. From the right, the Blue Angel Diamond. Commander Weiser and Lieutenant Davies will roll their aircraft to 90 degrees angle of bank and push forward on the stick as they perform the opposing knife edge pass. From the right, at 400 miles per hour, the Diamond rolls, all 4 aircraft flying as one in this graceful 360-degree rolling maneuver. Approaching inverted from the left and right, they will roll their aircraft 360 degrees crossing center point. The opposing inverted to inverted rolls. As they approach for a maneuver we call the Fortis. To demonstrate the dirty, slow-speed handling characteristics of the Boeing FA-18, Commander Bernanke has called for the extension of the landing gear and tail hooks by the 4 Diamond pilots as they execute a maneuver performed by no other jet demonstration team in the world today. From the left, the Diamond Dirty Loop. Commander Weiser is approaching to demonstrate the maximum performance turn radius of the F-18. He'll execute a 7.5 G afterburning turn and exit the flight line vertically, showcasing the Hornet's slow speed climb capability. Wingman, Lieutenant Cruz and Lieutenant Scott maintain minimum wingtip to canopy separation. The flight leader and slot pilot are both inverted. From the right, the Blue Angel double Farvel. To sneak into a target area virtually undetected. Lieutenant Davies will complete the maneuver with a series of vertical rolls, while Commander Weiser completes his rendezvous with the diamond to the right. The four pilots must now align themselves by looking 90 degrees from their flight path toward Commander Bernake's aircraft. They'll climb up through vertical under heavy G as they perform the very difficult 5-plane line abreast loop. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing 4-point hesitation roll. They'll climb up through vertical and shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond.
They look like they're humping.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel vertical break. As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The Blue Angel. Barrel, roll, brake. The two solo pilots are making their approach to the flight line. Crossing center point, they will simultaneously roll their aircraft 420 degrees in section. Ladies and gentlemen, the double tuck over roll. The low brake cross. Crossing center point, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. In as Commander Bernacchi calls for the 4 Diamond pilots to simultaneously select full afterburner. As they pass overhead, hear and feel the thunder of 8 engines producing 128,000 pounds of thrust. Intensive winter training period at Naval Air Facility El Centro, California. Our show season opens today and runs through mid-November. The Blue Angels will be performing 66 flight demonstrations during this season while visiting 33 cities throughout the United States. Having secured their engines, the pilots will simultaneously exit their aircraft on signal from Commander Bernanke. It has been an honor and our pleasure to perform for you here at El Centro. This, our first flight demonstration of the 2017 season. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the Blue Angels 2017.
And ladies and gentlemen, on the microphone with an absolute impeccable 70 minutes, give it up for Blue Angel number 7, Brandon Hempler. Well, just 364 days and 23 hours until the next Blue Angel performance here at El Centro. We want to thank everybody for coming out and joining us today at the 2017 El Centro Air Show and Open House. Let me hear a big scream from everybody if you had a good time down there. Get on over, enjoy the statics. There's going to be a lot of traffic getting off the base. Take your time, enjoy the day. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day.